guys, so Walmart has done it again. So I wanted to jump in right now to tell you guys about my Walmart finds for Christmas this year, 2024. So I want to jump in right now with the Omelette White Lexberry Wreath 24-inch by Holiday Time. And you guys, you know what? I am just loving this wreath right here. So looking at the very intricate details, you see that there are the Lex berries around this wreath here, and it just gives more of like a New York type of, you know, snow vibe, you know, the beginning of Christmas or the beginning of winter. So I'm really liking this right here. You know, you can dress this up on your door, and also I know that Walmart has the little wreath hangers, I think for about maybe $3 or $4. You can put it up with that, as well as have maybe a little extra sign, or maybe an extra little extra holiday touch for this wreath. Or if you want to keep it simple by itself, that's completely fine. And so what I actually see about this wreath is that it has these beautiful eye-catching Lex berries, and they're white, of course, and then it just creates more of like a timeless look. And this is something that I really do like here. And you know what? It's not a bad price either. So it's going for roughly $29, so just under $30. And I do see that this is getting it's like about a 5-star review, honestly. Yeah, basically 5-star review. So people are really loving this here. So I want to go into another thing that I see. All right, so I'm really getting really excited for Christmas. Oh, and one other thing too. I did buy these earrings from Walmart. So these are by No Boundaries. So if you guys are interested in the earrings, please let me know, and I will add that link to the description of the video. Okay? And if you haven't already, please like and comment and subscribe. My name is Treasure Takara. Okay, so one other thing too, we have the Mainstays chenille beige square pillow. Okay, so this comes in 2 packs. So I did include this in my Christmas section for my Walmart store. So I wanted to bring these pillows on because I thought these were so cute. So you can, you know, if you want to have more like a wintry feel, they have the blue. They also had more of a, you know, a dark navy blue as well too. And then I see like this type of orangish, greenish color. I thought that was really nice too. So these pillows are going for only $15, or about $15. So just around $14.90 something cents. So really, really not bad. And there's a few things I want to highlight about a couple of these pillows. So they come in a set of 2. Okay, so they have a chenille fabric, which is really, really, really good. So that means that it will not shrink in the wash. So you know how when you wash pillows, they get all distorted and they shrink really, really small and stuff like that. Or maybe the fabric, it doesn't come back the way it normally does. This will not shrink on y'all. Okay, so here's another thing too I want to jump into is this table here. I believe, is this by Drew Barrymore? Let me just double check. Yes, so this is the Drew Barrymore table. So this is the beautiful Drew Stowaway coffee table with storage by Drew Barrymore. So right now, as you can see, it is in cream. I don't know if it's going to be sold out about time when you guys see this here, but I thought this was so beautiful here. So if you can't do the white, you know, I know we're approaching, you know, Christmas. How about doing the charcoal and just like making it really nice with the, you know, like some Christmas decoration or Christmas decor from Walmart? I think that would be good. Like do some of your reds or maybe your golds or anything like that, just to make the, you know, make this table come out a lot more. And as you can see, oh, there we go. That's Drew. You know, she's liking that there. She's so silly. All right, so as I'm scrolling down, I'm just looking at a few things that this table comes with here. Okay, so it does come with removable wooden tabletop. So that's probably why you see Drew on the table like that. And then also it comes with an inner storage space, so you can store like, you know, your blankets or, you know, your throw blankets or anything like that, or just any like miscellaneous stuff, like even like some of your throw pillows. If you want to like change out for a quick second, you want to just put the pillows up, or maybe, you know, you just don't want a pillow on the bed, not on the bed, but on the couch. You can definitely just put it right in there. So this is going for, I say, literally about under $200, which is not that bad. So it's not that bad at all. So I really, really love this chair here. Drew, I am loving this table, not chair. I'm loving this table here. And I do see, like, when I'm looking at how she's inside of the table, it's so hilarious. It makes you think it's a chair, but it's actually a table. So let me keep going here. All right, so now we have the Best Choice Products 6-foot pre-lit holiday Christmas pine tree with flocked branches. Okay, so this comes with 250 warm white and multicolored lights. So you can switch it between the warm white ones or the multicolored ones, okay? So this tree is so beautiful. This is so Christmas themed. It has the snow already on it. It just makes you get ready for the holidays. And this is really a really nice tree here. So the tree is about 6 foot, so it's pretty tall. And you know what? One thing I really do like about these Christmas trees, and I actually do have a similar one that I bought from Walmart last year. It's not the frosted white color, but it's more of like just the green. It lasts, you know, and plus you don't have to deal with the hassle of like trying to wire the lights up and stuff like that. You know, I used to spend time at my grandma's house and stuff like that too. You know, although I did, you know, enjoy going over there, but I'll tell you, those lights, shoot, I done tripped over a couple of them. No lights right there, Taupe. Okay, so I'm really loving this Christmas tree. It's going for roughly $130. It looked like Walmart had a rollback on this particular tree right here. And so I am just really loving the vibrance of this tree. Like just looking at it, it just makes you want to like cuddle next to a warm fire, and also be around your family, be around your friends. Even if you have some pets, you know, just be right up on it. So I am loving that it has roughly around, it's like 250 LED lights. So you're guaranteed to have that brightness. And also, if you don't want to overdo your tree like with garland and stuff like that, you can leave it how it is. It has a complete look by itself. So that's one other thing here. Another thing too I wanted to include was this beautiful rust woven herringbone throw by Barrymore. So this is another thing by Drew. You can just like throw it over your couch or even your chair. And if you do have like anything that has an Ottoman, or even the table that I just showed that had Drew Barrymore in it, you can actually just dress it up with the chair that goes along with that. So this here is very, very warm, and it is so cute too. It looks like it's so easy to fold up and put away, so you don't have to have it out all the time. So this features classic herringbone design. So this is one of the designs that's very unique and stands out. And also it's available in some colors here. So it looks like it's available in black and white, and it looks like it's only exclusively available only online for those two colors. I think the other color is like more so inside of the store. Okay. So I just wanted to put that out there as well too. So this is going for roughly around $19.97, which is not too bad. And then I'm going to go into these lovely Christmas pillow covers. So this is a set of 4 Farmhouse black and red buffalo plaid pillow covers, holiday rustic linen pillow case. Okay, so you can actually add this for your Christmas decor. So you can add it for your couches, or you can add it for maybe one of your, even a chair just like this one right here too. So I love the fact that it says what Merry Christmas, and it also has like a couple other cute little designs here. So we have the Farm Fresh Christmas trees, we have Ho Ho Ho, the reindeer, and then we also have, of course, the Christmas tree. Okay, so the Christmas tree, I know it's in the plaid colors, so that's one of the things that I am really, really liking about these pillows here. And they're so cute. I mean, listen, I'll tell you, I mean, Walmart, they're really doing their thing with this one. I am loving the Christmas decor here. You know, I tried to dress a little bit, Christmassy a little bit, but, I'm going to add on to some more videos, and hopefully, you guys, you'll see some more vlogging, as I go through Walmart again, and also in person and also online. But I am really just loving this pillows here. So you'll get immediately when you purchase this four pillows, okay? And it looks like it has really, really high quality material. And so it looks like on the workmanship, it's just really, really, really sturdy. And also not just that, it has the invisible zippers like on the side. So if you do need to like take it off, take the outer cover off, and you need to really wash the pillow, you can wash the pillow covers. It's not that bad, at all. So I believe this is so perfect for Christmas. And honestly, other than that, I don't think that there's anything else for me to share with you today other than please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in any of these Christmas decor ideas or furniture, please review the links below. My name is Treasure Takara. Thank you again for tuning in, and thank you for everybody who has been commenting and also sharing my posts. It really does mean the world to me here. And also, I think that's about it. Okay, deuces.
And I'm not surprised. Scared of what I might say to you, scared of what I might do. Better call up young niggas and tell they